everyone. In this video, I am going to go over how to delete your batches, how to delete items within a batch, how, if you accidentally deleted them, to recover those items and recover those batches. Okay, so with that, let's get started. Okay, so here, as you can see, I've got a few batches and I want to delete some items from within one of the batches. Okay, so let's go into this one, Asha. It's got 144 items, and let's say that some of these products are accidentally created. I don't want them. So and what I can do is I can just check the checkboxes next to each of the items, right, that I want deleted. Then go into more actions and then click on remove. Now here you have a few options. So what it's asking you is that, do you want to remove this from just this batch, or do you also want to remove it from SellerChamp inventory? If you delete it directly from inventory, it's going to be completely gone, meaning that the product is no longer going to be inside the SellerChamp database. If you don't check this, then you're just removing it from the batch. So the product would still be there inside the SellerChamp database. It's just that it got deleted from this specific batch. So if the product is in multiple batches, it would still be in those batches. You just removed it from this one specific batch. That's the difference, okay? If the product is active, then clicking this checkbox, end listings on the BigCommerce marketplace, because this happens to be the BigCommerce marketplace that I'm on, would actually end the listings on BigCommerce. If you were inside an eBay batch, then of course this would say end listings on the eBay marketplace, and it would end the listings on eBay. The third option, end listings on linked marketplaces. So if this product happens to be, if this specific SKU happens to be also on eBay and Amazon and some other channel, and you have them connected via channel connections, then this setting will end them in all those channels. So if you're completely getting rid of a product and you want them gone from all your selling channels, check the third checkbox. All right, and I'm going to click yes. Removing items. If you have a lot of items, this runs in the background. Feel free to leave this batch and come back to it later. It will continue to run in the background. Okay, and then that's it. That's how you delete them. All right. Now and those items, as you can see, are gone. Now, if you accidentally deleted something inside a batch and you want them back, you just toggle this button here that says show deleted, and it will show you the deleted items. There they are, and you can restore them. So you can just hit the restore button. Are you sure you want to restore? You say yes, and it will restore that item back. So that's how you restore items from within. You restore items that are inside a batch. Now you can also delete entire batches. So to do that, just hit the trash can here, and that entire batch. Are you sure you want to delete this batch? Say yes, and it will be deleted. Again, if you accidentally deleted it, don't panic. You can click on show deleted, which will show you all of your deleted batches. Right, there it is. And you just want to hit restore, and it will restore the entire batch as a whole. Okay, simple. So that's how you can remove items from SellerChamp and also bring them back to life. Any questions? Let us know. Hit the chat icon on SellerChamp. Send us a message. Comment below in the video, and hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you. Cheers.